Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. In our previous videos, almost we have completed all the topics of first chapter. Here in this video, I have taken some revision exercise from your new maths book. So here one by one question I will discuss, and you also pause the video and note down all the questions in your notebook and try to solve this. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Here the first one is given multiple choice question. A, the place value and the face value of 0 are. We know the place value and face value of 0 always 0. Okay, so the first answer is 0. Next question, in Roman numeral, the alphabets that can be repeated for 3 times. We know in Roman numeral we have seen 3 symbols V, D and L, okay, or VLD or VDL. These 3 symbols are never repeated. Okay, we have seen this one. So here you see the first option IVX, here V is there, so this is wrong. Next one IXL, here L is there, this is wrong. The next one IXD, here D is there, so D never be repeated, so this is also wrong. The last one is IXC, so these 3 symbols we can repeat 3 times. Okay, so this is correct. The next question, see, if we add 1 to a number, we get what? We'll get successor, predecessor, number itself 0. Which one? Definitely we get successor. Okay, this is correct answer. The next one we'll see, mark the period according to Indian number system and write the number name for these numbers. Okay, so we have seen in our Indian number system video how to separate period and how to write the number name. So if you want, you can see this video once again. Okay, so if you take one number here, if you take second one, then here you see it is given 18, 19, 2, 4, 2. So we'll separate period first from the right hand side. Okay, so in the first period, ones period will keep 3 digits, next will keep 2 digits, and at last left hand side 2 digits are there. So number name is 18 lakh 19,200 242. Okay, 18 lakh 19,242. This is the number name of this number. Okay, so next 3 will write yourself. Next one is write the following numbers in expanded form. So here number names are given, we'll write this one in expanded form. So your first one is 49,007. 49,007, first we'll write this one in standard form, 49,007, and then we'll write this one in expanded form. Okay, or directly also you can write from this number name. Okay, so first you see here 49,000, so 40,000 we'll write 40,000 plus 9,000, 40,000 plus 9,000. Okay, then 7 given 7, and here you see in between zeros are given, so you can write these zeros, or if you don't write, it is also not wrong. Okay, so next given 7, right? So this is the expanded form of this var form. So this type B and C you will try to write in your copy. And see the D1 here, 129,346,039. Okay, this one is given in international number system, and we'll write this one in expanded form. So here first, if you want to write it in standard form, it will be 129 million, then 346,000 and 39. Okay, 39. So this is the standard form, and this is standard form you can write in expanded form very easily. So if we start to write, so first we'll write 100 million 100 million, then we'll write plus 20 million, 20 million plus 9 million, 9 million plus 300,000, 300,000 plus 40,000, 40,000, 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 30 plus 9. Okay, this is the expanded form of this verb form. So this type you write in your copy. Okay, the next question I'll see. In the number 60 lakh 60,606, how many times greater is 6 in hundreds place than 6 in ones place? So first we'll see the place value of 6 in hundreds place is 600, and the place value of 6 in ones place is 6, and if we divide 600 by 6 we'll get 100. So this is the answer. B, digit on the extreme left then digit on the extreme right. So if you see digit on the extreme left, 6 is there, its place value is 60 lakh, 60 lakh, and digit on the extreme right is 6. Okay, its place value is 6. So if we divide 60 lakh by 6 we'll get 10 lakh, we'll get 10 lakh. Okay, so this is the answer of B1, of B1. Okay, clear? Hope it is clear, and write this one in your notebook. Next we'll see, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means we know from smaller to greater or from smaller to bigger. Okay, so we'll arrange these numbers in ascending order, means from smaller to greater. Okay, next one, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order is just opposite of ascending order, means here we'll arrange the numbers in descending order, means from greater to smaller, from greater to smaller. Okay, next one, write following numbers in standard form. Here the following numbers are given, you can see it is given in expanded form, and we'll write this one in standard form. Already one expanded form or standard form video is prepared. That video you can see once again, and easily you can write this one. Okay, the last one you see, write the expanded form of the following numbers. Here the numbers are given, we'll have to write this one in expanded form. Already one expanded form video also prepared, that one also you can see, and otherwise you can write very easily. Also try to write this one in your notebook. Okay, so hope it is clear to all of you, and note down all these questions in your notebook and try to solve these in your notebook. Okay, thank you.